Everybody, my name is Jamila's Fisher. I'm the old woman making things. If you're watching this segment of the show, then you're probably on replay. So hit me up with the hashtag replay and I'll get back with you as soon as I can. The red live button's lit up at the top of the screen, then you are on live, and I am so happy to have you here. And if you're on replay, I'm happy to have you there too, because every view counts, and I love spending time with you. Wait a minute, I can't see how to reverse my camera. Hang on, y'all. I'm going to make you a little dizzy. Oh, there it is. Okay. There. Now we got that settled. I got to plug in my iPad because, of course, I'm not ready. Not only not ready, I couldn't find my extension cord. Okay, almost here. Okay, now, make sure I've turned up, and I wasn't. Y'all, I'm so sorry. I try to be organized and ready, and organization is not my strong suit, not ever. There it is. I was trying to bring up my iPad so I could see comments, and all I was getting was Siri. Okay. Let's see. I'm almost with you. Turn that down. Okay. Well, I turned it down, it turned itself back up. Hey, Jason. Hey, Pam and Lori and Constance. You can't see it up here. Don't be looking down. I can't. Y'all, I'm sorry I have to look down to see comments. And Diane and Cheryl, how are y'all all tonight? I'm so glad to see you. Let me put this aside for a minute. I got Happy Meal today. I am so excited. But I'm going to save it because she's at the movies and may not be back in time. Let's see, Cheryl and Marie, thank you. My day is always blessed. Thank you for roaming the gnomes. I do appreciate that. Hey, Mary Jo. Hey, Lori. Howdy to you too, Jeannie. No sound. Really? No sound? Does anybody have sound? You're hearing now. Okay, good. I'm glad, Jeannie. Hey, Gary. Okay, great. Makes me nervous when I've got no sound. Let me put this aside and this aside. Okay, that's getting hot. That's good. Perfectly great. Y'all, I was going to take y'all shopping this morning and I got to a yard sale. It wasn't very good, so you didn't miss anything, but well, it was kind of good. I got what I'm doing tonight there. It was almost 100 degrees and I was soaking wet in the first 5 minutes I was there, so I just got in my car and came home because I'm too old for that nonsense. I can't deal with it. I forgot to get one more thing down. Hey, Nada. So I wanted to get this down to show y'all. When we went to Collectic one time, hey, Rosemary. I love to see you too. We saw this bird feeder that somebody had made with teacup and saucer, and y'all were interested in it and wanted to know how to make it. So I made one just to see how I do it. Oh, it's real simple. It's real simple. I just put a silver chain on it, and I didn't have the stuff to hook it together. So I just be 7,000 it together. I don't really recommend putting it outside, but if you have a big tree, like a Christmas tree you keep up year round or something, it'd be a really good ornament. It's a little on the heavy side. So I got some of those, and I was going to make those because y'all are going to know how to do it. Thank you, Nita. I think it's pretty too. I like it. And in the 5 minutes I was at the yard sale today, I found a little children's tea set, and it has the cutest little saucers and cups. So we're going to make these. These could be on, hanging on a year-round tree inside. I really don't recommend they go outside because they are china. Hey, Alejandro. Anyway, we're going to put together 4 of these. It does take the hardest part about it is waiting for the glue to dry. And I'm just going to hang them up with twine. And I'm going to put them on, well, I'll sell them probably, but it's real sweet. You could put some little bird seed in here or something and seal it in so it doesn't rot. And it looked like a bird feeder. So that's what we're going to try to do today. I got to wait for my glue to heat up so we can do that. So we can chat for just a minute. Although I got dinged the other day for talking too much. Hey, Joanne. Hey, Linda. Hey, Jeanette. Let's see. I think I'm caught up. I don't know that I'm going to have a moderator today. Rebecca's tied up with family stuff, and Dina is probably driving her car. So it's hard to moderate and drive in the car at the same time. So y'all may have to yell at me for these comments. The good news is, I have to, when I glue these down, I have to hold them for a while, so till the glue sets a little bit. So I'll have some downtime. Y'all can't see that. Let me turn this down a little bit more, where you can see. Is that better? Yes, it is. I think they are very sweet. It came in a tea set. Came in a little tea set that's got a little teapot and a sugar and a creamer, and there are 4 more saucers, but I just need 4 of them. I think they're very sweet, and I'll figure out something to do with these other things. It's even got spoons. It's even got little plastic spoons, to put in your coffee cup. They're just cute. Hey, Melinda. Okay. So I'm going to put that back down there, get it out of my way. Let's see. I don't know how much the tea set was because they had several things, including, y'all, you won't believe this, but if you like Birkenstocks, they had 2 pair of Birkenstocks. The others have closed toes that were my size, and I got them for $20 for the 2 sets, not per pair, but for the 2 pairs. And a couple of other things that I'd already kind of picked out, and all of it together was only $30. And so the tea set wasn't much, but I don't know how much of it was. It wasn't much. It wasn't much. Do they have it at Dollar General? Good to know, because I might want to make more. Hey, Teresa, if you have, I know, well, indeed, I couldn't afford not to buy the Birkenstocks, even though I don't need shoes. But I wear them all the time. Anyway, I may make more as Christmas gets closer, so I'll probably buy some more. So I'm glad to know you can get them at Dollar General, which means they wouldn't cost much at all. Okay, all you need to do this is have, well, I call myself ready. Wait a minute. You need your teacup and saucer, and you need some twine to hold it up. You cannot hear me. Okay, I hope that's better. You need E6000 or B7000 glue, and I'm going to use hot glue to try to hold it in place a little bit. I found it at Goodwill for $10. Wow. Okay, good, Pam. I hope you do try it, because one of the things that I like to do is, I hate to use the word inspire, but show that things can be done. And if I can do it, anybody can do it. most part. Hey, Rhonda. Okay, so you want a side that curves out some. If it curves in, like some teacups do, and I'll show you. I said I'd show you. I've got some teacups downstairs that I like a lot, but they kind of curve in and up. Thank you for walking the nose, Marsha. And good, I'm glad some people can hear me. So you want as much surface area for the glue to get on as you can get. And you take your thing and you decide where you want your cup. And see, this is the top of the bouquet. So I want to put the cup so that I'm going to put the cup like that, so it's at the bottom of the bouquet. If y'all can see that. I don't know if you can, not because it keeps going around. Hey, Regina. Hey, Linda. You're not late. We're just getting started. And thank you for sprinkling. I may have to turn up my volume. Hey, Rhonda. Okay, let me see. Y'all, it turns itself down. Hey, Lola. Hey, Regina. Okay. Oops. So what I'm going to do is you want the handle to be facing straight up because that's your handle. That's what you get. That's your hanger. And you put it here, and I put mine so it's kind of right on the edge because I can put a little bit of glue right there or on the, what is this thing, the rim, and that just adds to what you can do, but I don't want it over. Okay, so I'm going to take my B7000 and I'm going to come straight down from the base of the bouquet all the way up to the rim. And then I'm going to take a little bit of hot glue and I'm going to put it right on the rim, just a dab, and another one right down here at the base of the flowers. And then I'm going to try to position this thing and not move it. So that looks like that. That looks pretty straight. And then I'm going to hold it. That really is all you have to do, y'all. This isn't going to take much time at all. Isn't it cute, Barbara? I loved it. Okay, the glue seems to be holding. The hot glue seems to be holding in place. Oh, that's all there is to it. Now, I don't recommend putting your twine on or whatever you're going to use for the hang. Well, that's a little crooked, actually. I love it too, y'all. It's so simple. It's so simple. But you need a good strong glue to hold it. And I tried to rig up some way to hold it in place because it takes a little while to set. So that's going to be the longest part of this whole live, is watching me hold a teacup. But that gives me a chance to look at comments, and it is a cute set. And I'm going to think of stuff to do with the rest of it because I don't want it to go to waste because it's pretty. This is not straight at all. Straight up. Hey, Cindy. Who I missed? Hey, Janet. Hey, Karen. I don't think anybody's here that's new to my page, but if you are, let me know. It said it's boring to watch them paint dry. Yeah, watching glue dry, watching B7000 glue dry is. Thank you for sprinkling, Cindy. I appreciate that so much. I do. Ampy, you're not on replay, sweetie. You're live. You are live. I'm here in person. Well, as in person as I can get over the phone. Let me turn you up again. Hey, Donna. Oh, dear. Yeah, I take my hand off, and then I want to slowly drift over to the side. Hey, Debbie. Okay, I'm just going to pick it up, and I'm going to get my foot off this, and I'm going to put just another little dab of glue right there, and right there. And this time I'm going to try not to move it. Hey, Lori, I know it's strange. Hey, Corinne, thank you for walking in those, Dana. Corinne, thank you for being here. Very hot in Kentucky. It's very hot here too. Hey, Rosa, don't 110 degree. Wow, Ruthie, that's hotter than here. Here's hot enough. Hey, Sharon. I don't know why that's on. Okay, so I'm just going to hold it some more because as soon as I took my hand off, it twisted over to the side. I'm going to move this. Hey, Lizette, that right there. We can do another one. Now this is really and truly all there is to it. It's got some green stuff on it. I don't know what that is. Hey Denise, happy Friday to you too. I love Fridays. Except I'm retired, so every day is Friday. Thank you, Rosa. I think they're very cute. And these can go on. Well, I don't have a huge tree, but this will go on those and on it, and it'll hold them. And I'm hoping maybe closer to Christmas we can find a Christmas tea set. Oh, you have a weakness for old vintage china. No, it's in old. It's not vintage, but it looks nice. Hey, Ruthie, I love retirement too. That's the perk of being old. And I put this one a little far back, so it's overhanging back there some. I don't know if y'all can tell that or not, but I don't really mind that. It'll hold up. And this one is listed to the side again. I wonder, it would be cute done with the metal tea set. It would be cute done with a rustic tea set. No, that's too big. Yeah, we've got two more to do and we're done. Have y'all been looking at the thoughts for the day on video? If you have, tell me what you think about that format. Or tell me if you would rather just have it written. I did write it out and put it in my story today at the top of the page. So you can see what it should have said, not what I said. That's not what I meant to do at all. Let's get rid of that. Which one was it? You like the video, or do you think you'd like to try the live? Some people said on the live yes, some said no. So thank you, Denise. I gotta get the glue off of this one. I like seeing you too, Joanne. I think I will keep doing it on video. And y'all are making, you like the video, okay? Thought about doing live because I thought then we could talk about it, but that may be taking up too much of your time. So I don't know. I'm going to go by what y'all say. You think you like the video? Okay. I kind of like that because I feel kind of like I'm talking to you instead of writing at you. Hey, oh, Christine, hey, friend. You've had a busy week, so you've been waiting. I wish y'all would. I wish you'd let me know what you know in your comments. Let me know what you think about it and what you want and how you want it done and all that stuff. Because you know, I'm here for y'all. Um, so I would like you to be happy and get something out of it. And you don't have to agree with everything you say. I haven't done a live yet, but if you want me to, I'll do it. I'll do it on live tomorrow when I'm a little bit better organized, um, and we can try it out. What do you think about that? You'll check it out, okay? I know you haven't been well, Christine. I've been praying for you, my friend, and I've been missing you. I hope you're on the road to recovery. Sounds good. All right, W, are we playing a game I don't know about? Lori, what's the W for? Thank you, Denise. Christine needs prayers. Everybody does, you know. How often would you do the lives? I would try to do them every day because it's a thought for the day. There may be some days I can't, but I was thinking if I could get in the habit of planning it out the night before, I could do it, you know, like at 10 o'clock in the morning or something like that. And you'd have the day to think about it. But that may not be the best time for people to come on, you know, to be on lives because people are going to work or getting kids or grandkids to school or something like that. So I don't know. I need for y'all to tell me what you want. Hey, Dina. Oh, did y'all see that screen that I got? Yes, okay. The screen that I got, the room divider screen that's really tall, it's in the back of my car. I showed it to y'all on one shopping trip. Dina had the idea of decorating that with maps of all over the world, and especially some places I've been that I no longer have maps of. But I'm wondering if anybody has interesting maps that you don't want, if you'd like to send them to me, and I, you know, could possibly put them on my screen. Well, that was leaning over backwards, kind of all okay, y'all. There's our craft right there. This one's listing. Hey, Cheryl Rock. Trying to watch the grandchildren and listen to the grandkids that keep talking to you. Well, rude. Enjoy your grandchildren. Enjoy. I think it will be pretty. I think they'll be because that's for me. It's not for anybody else. But I just thought it'd be nice. So if you have any maps you want to get rid of and you want to send them to me, I'll give you my address in a private message. I'm just going to hold this, which sounds amazing about the maps or they're always talking. Well, that's the nature of children. Joanne, what sounds amazing, the maps or the daily lives on the thought of the day? That'd mean most days I'd be going live 2 times a day, which is fine with me. This one, they would be cute in a fairy garden. They would be. This one is leaning to the side, but I think it'll be okay. The maps. Okay, good. I don't think the emojis help much. I think the emojis are the ones that go up the side. They are cute. Hang on a minute. Let me get something. If I can find them. Y'all, I cleaned up the other day. That's always a mistake. Thought I lost all my fairies. Let's see. I think she's going to be a little bit. No, she won't. Can you see her? The little fairy in the. So that would be good in a fairy garden. It's a good idea. You had three great. Oh, you are lucky. Thank you, Anita. Came from Timu. Hey, Pixie. That would be kind of cute. I don't want to pick it up because I don't want to knock them over. But I'm always looking for something to put my fairies on. I wish I could remember which one I did first. Hey, Deborah. Okay, this one seems pretty solid. Let me see. I think I want the smaller twine. You could use anything you want as a hanger. 4, 8, and 14. Wow. Put a little hanger. Didn't think I needed scissors. Hey, Deb. Happy Friday to you, too. Oh, Denise. Love it. Got my minis. Oh, good. Good, Deborah. I'm glad. I'm glad you like them. Wow, Cindy. Well, something you could do with it if you didn't want, if you wanted to mess it up some. You could just, be hanging like a little ornament. Hangs down a little bit so you can see in the cup. You keep getting a black screen. Oh, Lucille, I'm sorry. Oh no. She could do that, but then you couldn't hang it on the tree. See, but you could certainly do that. Then it wouldn't be an ornament. But I guess if it's in a fairy garden, you wouldn't need it to sit in a tree. And that may be something. What I do with them? That may be something that could be done with these little things. Let's see. Hey, Jody. Well, I think wouldn't quite reach. But these could also be done the same way, actually. They'd just be a little different. I know they are a joy. I'm sure they are. That would be difficult. That could be something she could lean against. I don't know. We can play around with them. Now, if you hang them up with these, I think that probably you may want to put a little dab of glue down there so that that doesn't slide around on you. I don't. Maybe it wouldn't matter. Thank you, Michelle. Wait, y'all, that's it. That's the craft. It took what? 25 minutes. So if you can find these little teacups, or even the bigger ones, we can do some more of these if you want to. Because I've got them in here somewhere. I'm kind of curious to see what this one will do because it's kind of cattywampus. No, I didn't do the Happy Meal yet. I just went directly to this. So let me put the hangers on these, and if you want to do some more, we can do some of these bigger ones if I can figure out where to put them. In here somewhere. Or not. I know I lied. We can't do them because I don't have them in here. I thought I did. Heading out to Ding Dong Friday is. Oh, is he started already, Denise? Yeah, I guess he has. He starts at 7, doesn't he? Okay, well, it won't be so bad if I get off early, and I'll just see y'all over there. And maybe I'll go on and show him my teacups. If they hold together that long. Okay. All right. Well, I appreciate you coming. I appreciate everybody coming, and any amount of time you spend with me is welcome. I'm happy to have it and grateful to you. Uh-oh. Gotta fix that one. All right, y'all. If you want to go watch Justin, we'll go watch Justin, and we can talk there. Well, I may try to tonight, Lizette. I don't usually, but I may try to tonight because I haven't. Hey, Karen, thank you. Let me put this one back together. You got to let the glue dry. And Hey, Mary Lou. Oh, thank you, Ruthie. You're so sweet. Did I say your name wrong? Mary. Yeah, that was Mary Lou. I said it right. Thank you, Deborah. All right, y'all. I'm going to get off. This is the shortest live I've ever had. Thank you, Jody. I was so excited to see this set here. You're still there. I thought you left. Um, I was so excited to see the set that I couldn't believe it. I got this a set of 4 of these from Timu. Look good on there too. You're on the big one. We saw it was not my idea. Yeah, oh yeah. Let me do Happy Meal. Let me do Happy Meal. She said it was something to use in crafting, so I don't think it's going to take a whole long time. But let me put this back together. Move these out of the way. I don't want to get them broken before I get a chance to finish them. We do it later tonight. Do what later tonight? I'm going to do the happy Meal right now. Find it. Okay, this is from Elaine Wrestler. I look way too cute. Thank you, Sharon. Real cute. I feel hot and sticky. I'm going to scissors. This is why I usually open the box ahead of time. Buster will be on for a while. You know, he's not going to go anywhere. Oh my goodness. Y'all are not going to believe this. Look at that. Can you believe that? Isn't that gorgeous? Look at it. That's what it is. This is really Happy Meal. Isn't it beautiful? And y'all, it's not fine silver. It's beautiful. It's as beautiful as anything I've got, but I won't have to feel bad about doing something to it. This is perfect. Isn't that wonderful? It's got a sticker back here that who knows what it says because I don't. Ooh, I love it. Hey, Helena. It's beautiful. Ooh, I know, Teresa. Ooh, indeed. You're still here. Thank you. Okay, so let me show you for people who just got on, since we're just going to be going off in a minute. We did these little teacup that was thoughtful. It's wonderful. No, it's not hammered enamel. It's some kind of metal. If you hold it up to your ear, you can. No, you can't. I plan to make it sparkle and shine. It's already shining. Hey, Connie. Okay, so y'all, this is what we made. Is we just took a little child's tea set. How can you find Justin's page? His page name is The Crafty Brother. The Crafty Brother is Justin. So we made these little things that can be ornaments on your tree. They could be on a year-round tree. Um, and they just hang up like so. I'm holding my hand under there because it hadn't set yet. Hey, Vanessa. Um, that's it. I told you it wasn't going to take long. It's the easiest thing to do that I've ever done, actually. Thank you. I think they're cute. And somebody suggested they look good in the fairy garden. And so I got a little fairy and stuck her in there. And, you know, she sits in there quite nicely. So, um, and actually, if you put her in, let me see, this is dangerous because the glue hadn't set yet. But if you glued her in, she could swing. I love them too, y'all. I hope y'all find them. I'm gonna go to Dollar General and see if I can find another tea set. Somebody said they were there, and I'm gonna go there and see if I can find some more to do because they are so cute and they're not expensive to do at all. If you get to coming from Dollar General, all you need is the cups and some strong glue, B7000 or something like that, or tight bond. Any of those, anything you use that's really strong will do. And then you have some ornaments that look good and didn't cost much and were, you know, took about what, 5 minutes to do. Hey Debbie. This is a little bit short. Anyway, so I've got 4 ornaments for a tree right there. The fairy is made out of some kind of plastic. Came in a set of 4 with Timu. Dina, if you're still here, can you draw a couple of names for napkins, please? We haven't done that. It's just some kind of fairy, some kind of polymer clay looking stuff. Hey, Debbie, did I speak to you? I don't know. I can't remember. She is cute. They're all 4 of them are a little bit different. And y'all, I think it's funny they all have underwear on. I got the cups and saucers from a yard sale this morning. For, I don't know how much money, but it wasn't much. And but somebody said they have them at Dollar General. I'm gonna go look and see, just because I can. Okay. Any questions? Anything else y'all want to talk about? Because this is really all I planned, and it's done. I finished one the same day I started it. Can you imagine that? Oh darn, Deborah, oh darn what? You don't see Dina. Okay, all right, well here, I'll do it. Ruthie, make sure I have your address. Ruthie Cunningham, I pulled your name, so make sure I have your address. And Lori Dice, Lori Cahill Dice, your name. So if you're still here, send me your address. I want to do one more just because I can. And Rosemary Bowen, if you're still here. So Ruthie, Lori, and Rosemary. Y'all, I can't pen and talk at the same time. You're welcome, Ruthie. And I'm going to get those out tomorrow. I'm getting better. I'm going to get better at it. I did not, but I can. Can. You want to be sure I've got your address. Hey, Delise. Delise, this is what we made. We made little bird feeders out of a child's tea set, cup and saucer, you know, that you can hang on your tree. You're welcome, Lori. I'm happy. Jody, is Jesse is Jess going with you to the crafters conference or crafters retreat in New York? I sort of heard that she was, and I just wondered. Yes, okay, good. We get to meet both of you then. I'm happy. Thank you. Thank you, Delise. They were, they were fun. They were fun and very, 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 very quick and easy to make. I promise you. If you missed it, go watch the replay. It won't take long. No. Oh, Jody. No. Is she going to get on a list? Is she on a list? Much prayers for all of you. I didn't know she was that sick. Oh my goodness. Who's the third name I call? Rosemarie. Hey, Brenda. Brenda, we're about to leave. But this is what we made right here. You know, on Friday, I think I may start going on at 5 o'clock, so I have more time without stepping on Justin. MRI and see how far she is. Oh, Jody, I'm putting her name in my prayer box. If that's okay with you. I did not know that. Yep. This is what you do with them. Is you just glue them down. You need a strong glue, but you glue them down, and if you want to get some little bird seed and put it in your coming out, and seal it so it doesn't rot. It'd be real cute. It really look like a bird feeder, but I would not put them outside because they are China and birds are kind of heavy, y'all. Wait. And I didn't get all those. Purphoropus. Karen, I don't know what you said there at the end, but I will certainly give you some more prayers. I'm sorry. How's your hand? Oh, okay. All right, perforations. We, we can't wait to meet you either. And Dina's going to be there. Yeah, let's all pray for Karen and Jess. And Dina. And Dana. Yeah, there are going to be several people there we know. Y'all, if you're at all interested in the New York area, the Crafters Conference is going to be very good, and it's very cheap. Yeah, Dana. I figured that's what you meant. And we didn't do this one on the live, but this is a bigger teacup done the same way. This one sits flatter though. See, this one got glued down a week or so ago, and it's holding very steady. You're looking for the fairy. Oh, on Temu. If I thought I could navigate Temu and get back to it to send you a link, I would. But Temu baffles me. I'll find something, we'll go back to it, and they've gone and moved it somewhere else and put 17,000 other things in its place. So it's really hard to find it. I don't look at Temu much anymore. Okay, Lizette, I'll see you over there. Thanks for being here. Search berries. Yeah, that would probably do. I bought them a couple of times. Go hand in. We'll just stick her back in her plate and let her be. All right, y'all. I'm gonna get off. Uh, Quickest live I've done in a long time. Um, I'm giving some thought to coming back on later tonight just to talk. So maybe we'll do that if I don't get real tired in the meantime. So anyway, thank you all for coming. Thank you for being here. You're new to my page. I hope that you neuropathy. Okay. Both sides of your right side need to get injections. Mm, and don't have enough vitamin B12. Yeah, B12 helps neuropathy some. It's a whole bunch of inside. It's just a mess. That ain't gonna happen. You know it's the word that starts with a P first. 4 shots a week for the first month. And I hope that works out. Yeah, y'all, let's all pray for Karen. Okay, I'll put you on every prayer list I know. Hey, Sandy, I'm glad the fishing was good. You got here right before we leave. These little teacup bird feeders. We made it a child's China tea set, and it took about 20 minutes to make 4 of them, if that. And that's including drying time. Hey, Kimberly. Oh, they're sold out. Yuck. Okay, Lori. See you later. Don't forget to send me your address. They are cute. They are cute, and they're so simple and so cheap to make. And you can hang them in your tree all year round. Your inside tray, wouldn't put them outside. That's just me. I just wouldn't do it. Because then I'd have broken china all over the place, and Frankie would eat it, and just go downhill from there. Okay, y'all. I'm gonna get off and go see Justin, and I hope to see y'all all over there too. And thank you so much for coming back. And tomorrow morning, I'm gonna, well, maybe not. Tomorrow sometime I'll do a live video on the thought of the day. Hey, Lisa, how people are coming in and we're going out. I keep going black. I'm sorry. I don't know why. Oh, mine's showing up okay. I don't remember, but it was something like that. It wasn't much at all. Hey, Shanna, I'm about to leave. This is what we made today. Little teacup and saucer bird feeders out of a child's tea set. It's China, and they can be year-round ornaments, I think. If I had some bird seed, I'd put it in there. But good on you. Well, good, Kimberly. I'm glad. You look good on somebody's hand. Okay, I really am. I'm from the South, and we say goodbye 45 minutes before we actually get around to leaving. But I think I'm reaching my limit here. So I'm going to get off. I may come back on later tonight for a late night thing. It depends. And we'll, we'll see what happens. Okay, y'all. Thank you so much for being here. Remember, somebody in Alabama loves you, and it's me. Bye-bye. Come on.